This is an unboxing of the MacBook Air 13-inch. As you can see, the box is very nice. You can see the top of the box has foam on it. The MacBook Air is a 13-inch MacBook. It weighs 2.96 pounds. It has a SDXC card reader with a USB port and a Thunderbolt 2. It's very thin and very lightweight. As you can see here, the SDXC card and the USB port. You can see as we look in the box, it comes with literature and the power cord. As you can see, I've already installed a McNally keyboard cover. It's very easy to install and very easy to take off. It's very important that you protect your computer. Okay, we bought the MacBook Air. Now we have to protect our investment. This is a leather sleeve made by a company called Plemo. It's made for the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. It'll help to protect our MacBook Air when we're out in public. As you can see, on the inside it is nice and soft, which is very important because a MacBook can get scratched very easily. And it's very thin, so it will not get in the way, but it will offer protection for your MacBook. The next thing I purchased for my laptop was a spec clear case for the 13-inch MacBook Air. It's very simple to install. All you have to do is click it on. As you can see here, instructions are very basic. As you can see here, I've already installed the top part. You can't even tell it's there except for the part that it's shiny. Very simple. You just click it on. The bottom part is the same. You just grab it slide it onto the top, and click it on. Now your laptop is protected. All we have to do now is peel off the plastic. And now we put it in to our Plemo sleeve. Slides right in, nice and easy. And we are good to go.